Hey guys, how's it going? Here's another one from the McNasty Customz collection. 1987 KDX 200. This is a nice clean bike. We actually picked this bike up like this. We really didn't do much to it, so we really don't have much to talk about as in what we did to it, but we'll give you a walk around and we can see what somebody else did. So this is a good idea to see things like this, to see what other people do and how not everybody's a restorer. Some bikes are restored to be beautiful, some bikes are restored to look at, some bikes are just, you know, put together restored to be ridden, to be raced, to look good at the racetrack, and they're going to get beat. It's all on what you're trying to do and what the final outcome is going to be. So we'll give you a walk around to this 87 KDX 200 and we'll take it from there. So there we have it. The bike runs absolutely beautiful, the lights work, everything is up to par, the tires are replaced and new. Somebody put the fork boots on there, aftermarket fork boots, and you know, we picked this bike just up like this, DG pipe. We like to do that, as you see in our Kawasaki KXT 250. We powder coated all our pipes black and stuff on to make them look like it's kind of stock. We actually went over the DG badge. This person who did this bike actually wanted you to see it said DG. And this has got an aftermarket seat cover on it. It's got aftermarket plastic on it. It's got a nice factory bag on there, so I don't know where they found that. And even with the tail lights, hard to get these fenders with these tail lights now. So, and then obviously they painted the silencer black. It's a nice all-around rider. This is a very nice rider. It's a very good condition. All the metal on it's nice. The rims are on it nice. Like I said, it's got pretty new tires on it. Chain sprocket's good. You know, somebody went through it. I don't like that aftermarket chain front cover. I don't like that kind of stuff. Nobody ended up drilling holes, so you'll find a lot of these 86, 87, 88 KDXs. You'll find them with holes drilled in the side and so on when the airbox. You don't have any of that, which is really nice. I don't like these aftermarket covers. I'm not into those. They don't do anything for me. But you know, this person thought that you know, once in a while, that's what you do. You come, you know, you get these billet aluminum pieces, and I don't personally think the billet aluminum looks right on these older bikes, because you're obviously trying to make it look like something that was in a magazine when you're going back to try to make it look all original. You know, Kawasaki brochure or something along those lines. You know, you don't have a big billet sprocket cover. So, and then I like, you know, so I like the way that they made the pipe blacked out here, so it kind of looks factory. But on the other side, they got that big billet aluminum piece, which is fine. To each his own. Everybody's has got their own individual taste and so on. KDX 200, air-cooled motor. I mean, they had 200s and 250s back in like 83 and 84, and then 85 and so on. That was one style. So 86 came out with this style. 86, 87, 88 was this style. The plastics on those three bikes, they actually had white KDXs too, which were very pretty. I mean, it's, you know, it's hard to find anything like that now, and you can't find anything like a gas tank or anything like that to actually make it look like, you know, what it's supposed to look like without paint and stuff. And that's a lot of stuff you don't really want to get involved in. So yeah, good machine. These things run great. They don't really stall out. Your woods, they're obviously woods bikes, but your woods ride them, and you don't really have any issues with them. These are great machines, and they're pretty light. They're pretty light, so they feel pretty decent, and they're comfortable. You can ride them for hours. That's the problem with the newer style bikes. Obviously, us vintage guys like the vintage bikes, but, you know, the newer style bikes you can ride for a half an hour, 45 minutes, and then your ass hurts. So, I don't know about all that. But there you go, guys. There's a little candidate right here, 1987. Oh, I'll show you up here. Still has the gauges in it. 1987 KDX 200. This is what one should roughly look like. The stickers on the gas tank are a little off. They're not, the colors aren't quite right on them. Something's not white. They're a little too white. But this is what you should end up shooting for if you're looking for a good rider that looks stock to put into the vintage classes, woods ride, or whatever you want to do. Guys, we have a bunch more videos. Check us out. Like and share. McNasty Customz. McNasty Customz on Facebook. And McNasty Customz on Instagram. McNastyCustomz.com. Thanks, guys.